Hey guys, I'm at the new Impelsys office, which is in Whitefield. It's an amazing place, a lot of positive vibe. As you can see in the back, we have a great playing area. We have a lot of collab areas here, a lot of nice open spaces here. So a lot of positive momentum, a lot of positive vibe. I'm here for the first time. I'm just loving it. I'm sure anybody who comes here is just gonna love it. Thank you.
It's my first time in the office, and it's really look huge. It's really a huge workspace. I think I need to walk around, explore more places yet, and it's very nice. And the environment is new for me. Kind of working together is better, I guess. Yeah, that's it.
I am really excited to work in the new place. Nice, it's look nice. So everything will look fresh, new, and lot of new faces because we are working in Vaishnavi and others working from Sauryoday. So it's we will not, many of the teammates in Impulses will not be able to get each other, get to know. It's an opportunity to work all together. So happy and excited in the new place. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shishi Reddy. So the new office is exciting and it's all in the one floor itself, so we can get along with other users as well. So, and the cafeteria is also good. So thank you.
To be very honest, the past few hours is spent on exploring, and I'm enjoying my exploring life. And here, from the old office and the new one, it's beautiful, I have to say. And yeah, a lot more to explore. I will, and a great opportunity to meet a lot of impellers, especially. So great place, great cafeteria, and all. A great place to collaborate, I would say. Thank you.